Samsung announced its first QLED 8K television in August, and now the 85-inch Q900R Smart TV is available for pre-order for $15,000. It is not yet known if the sizes of 65, 75 and 82 inches will be available for pre-purchase, but the 85-inch television will be sent on October 28. Samsung claims that the 8K AI Upscaling feature of the TV uses its Quantum 8K processor to remaster today's amazing 8K content for enhanced detail and improved definition. Today's content seems fine to me now in 4K, and there is basically number 8K content to see yet, so this type of feature feels like a feature that no one knows if you still need it. Like all Samsung QLED TVs, the Q900R also has environmental mode, which allows you to use your phone to capture a picture of the space behind your TV and configure it as your screen to create a transparent appearance. You can also show your photos or act as a visual center so that your gadgets connected to SmartThings show useful information.